you've lost yourself in a character, in a movie, or bhul gaye aap?
While doing scenes, very often. Now, okay, let me think. If not in that moment, I've not realized that, I'm behaving like this character even when I go back home. But you take so much, because you invest so much into that character. You end up, it's almost like you don't even know when you've become one, and when so many attributes of that come into your own personal life.
Yeah, you show attributes of that.
I feel so. Sometimes I take things that I like. Sometimes, like, I don't even know. I mean, I feel like they stay with me. But very often I've lost in the scene while performing. I've completely like
forgot.
If you say Kiara, I'm fully there. I think between action and cut, I have the ability to be very present.
Nice.
And maybe it comes, like, I think I'm a person, I'm all or nothing. So if I'm giving you something, I will give you everything to the best of my ability.
Nice. We
and
like
that's
this
my
overall life curve.
I feel so.
So, on podcast only, कुछ actors है, उन्होंने ऐसे बोला कि जब भी वो कोई सीन करते हैं, they forget and कभी कभार मूवी करने के बाद वो घर पे जाके वो behave करने लग जाते हैं वैसे.
Like the character.
हाँ, like the character. Like there was one actor who said कि मैं बहुत गुस्से वाला बन गया था for a very long time. I started hating myself also and others also because I was so dark in that. There was one female actor, she said she started getting scares and she started having nightmares because she was playing a role of somebody who
went into that zone.
Went into that zone, and she was a victim in that movie, gone through like so many sexual assaults and stuff. So she started feeling very bad for every woman in the world and then going through. And then there are actors like, let's say Paresh Rawal sir. Okay, he said, "जो भी ऐसा बोल रहा है झूठ बोल रहा है." because he said कि कुछ नहीं ऐसा होता, सब एक्टर को बताता है, वो इतना ट्रेन करके.
He's also worked so many years. So I feel that every actor must have gone through that with certain characters. I don't feel like that's your experience with every single part that you play. But yes, there are certain characters that maybe you get deeply attached to. Maybe during the prep of that film, you will go into a space that, even it may be so new for you that it just stays with you for much longer than just the film. Like when you were saying about the anger thing, I remember during Guilty, this is a movie that I did where I play a very rebellious child. She's rebellious and the mudda of the film was so heavy that I think it automatically like churned out those emotions. And sometimes I used to go home and I used to take that back. My mother used to say, "Ye sab na set ke liye rakh do. Don't bring all of this back."
Don't
home.
rebellious nature.
So I feel you also learn along the, along the journey. Experience also kind of, how much when you, like everyone's process is different. Like I find myself in emotional scenes. Sometimes I give in so much that it takes everything out of you, and then you literally go home feeling, after a big cry, you just feel so light. And that feeling, I feel like very fulfilled when I've gone home, that jo bhi andar I was festering and churning to bring out in that particular scene, it's all out. And then you go home like feeling like you've given it your all. Sometimes you go home and like, shit, yaar, I wish I did that. So I find myself in emotional scenes that I know that when I've given everything. Maybe my EQ is, I am sensitive and emotional in that sense. So I feel maybe that emotional quotient of mine is higher. So it comes out in that way. But along the journey, I have also learned certain tricks about myself that I'm capable to immediately after cut disassociate also if I want to. And that full intense emotion can go into a complete normal Zen neutral state.
But
now that has come, and I've learned that along the way. Because during my first film, I was like, okay, it's an emotional scene. How do I prepare for this? And how am I going to do this? So I started, other actors' interviews say you hear about their process. So whether it's music, whether it's going into a space, find your trigger points, all of that. So sab karke, I remember we were on set at about 7 o'clock, but my shot, I was called for it maybe 3-4 o'clock.
Okay.
So now from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., I was sitting and manifesting the emotion that I had to portray on screen. But now by the time 4 p.m. came, half of that manifestation, I think, got drained in those first couple of hours. And that's when I realized that maybe sometimes the switch on, switch off is even... I mean, I feel you know your character, you know the parameters, you know what, you've done your homework. Then just come and flow on set. But this now I've realized, after going through all different processes and experience. But it's different. For each film, it's different. Don't internalize every single scene, dialogue, emotion. Like in normal life, of course we do, but if you feel something, like for me at least, every time I feel something, it's on my face. You'll see it, If I'm nervous, you'll see it on my face. If I'm happy, you'll see it on my face. If I'm stressed, you'll see it on my face. It's just how it is. I've realized that I can't hide anything. My face will just show that expression. And
for an actor to say this is crazy. Okay.
I don't know if I mean this from my profession point of view,
but in real life,
like you'll just know. It'll just be on my face. I can't hide it.
ऐसे कभी सोचते हो खुद के बारे में कैसे टाइप के एक्टर हो गए आप? Like, are you a good actor, bad actor, in making actor? Like so many things you go through, no?
Are you asking me?
You. Like, what do you think of yourself?
What I think of myself, not what I think people think.
No, not people.
I think I'm a work in progress. I think that there's still a lot of potential that has not been tapped in and that I'm discovering with each film that I do. Yeah.
Let's go more deeper. Take me to the moments where you felt, okay, ये मैंने kill कर दिया. या ये मैं बहुत ही बेकार फेस से जा रही थी या जा रही हूँ. I don't know.
You want me to say the scene as well?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So, during Shershaah, I knew. I said, ये sixer hai.
Okay. You knew.
I knew. I just felt it. I felt it after I had done the last scene, that take at the pyre. I feel inside, for yourself as an actor, when you've done a scene, in a way that it's not about right or wrong, because there's no right or wrong way of doing a scene. It's about, will this move people? Was I feeling it in that moment?
Okay.
So somewhere वो मतलब पता चल जाता है, and even when you've not done, and कि ये थोड़ा डामाडोल हो गया, that also and then you hope you cover it up in the next take or another angle or the way they edit it, but I can say more from which ones I feel I've nailed, because those really stay with you. The ones that I feel I messed up, I'm sure there are a million.
Give me one.
Let's go through my filmography.
We all know. Like, I know there are...
You must be knowing for me also.
No, I wouldn't know. मैं बहुत ही हिंदी लवर, हिंदी सिनेमा लवर टाइप से मूवी देखता हूँ. I don't find logic. I don't judge actors. I'm like, क्या मस्त मजा आ गया मुझे. Like that kind of audience I am.
I feel honestly, very honestly, and I'm not saying it like, oh, I think I'm great. I don't think that at all. I'm sure there are many scenes that they were okay. They were more